Hi, I'm Nick, VP of Marketing, back here with SVS at CEDIA Expo 2024 in Denver. And we have another big announcement. This is one of the first times a lot of the CEDIA crowd has been able to experience our new SVS Ultra Evolution loudspeakers. And this is our new flagship lineup that's a complete reimagination of everything SVS has ever done with speakers, bringing in some of the latest technology. Now, one of the first things most people notice about these speakers is this curved front baffle, and there's an acoustic reason for that. It's called acoustically centered time alignment. So essentially, the sonic emanation point of all of these drivers is aligned in physical space, and that allows the output from each driver to reach your ear at the exact same instant. This creates a very rock-solid soundstage, absolutely pinpoint perfect imaging, so you're able to really get the truth out of the content you're listening to, especially with critical music. Another big story with this is the complete redesign of our tweeter here. We took all the benefits of an aluminum dome tweeter and through a process called vapor deposition, have applied a layer of diamond carbon to the outside of the dome tweeter. This basically adds very little mass, but allows it to become much more rigid. So you bring that breakup frequency of the tweeter to around 40,000 hertz, where pretty much it's outside the level of human audibility, but there's really no distortion coming from the tweeter, even at those highest frequencies. And it's airy, it's effervescent, it has all the beauty that you want out of a wonderful tweeter, and it also can take a lot of abuse. And we know SVS customers like to really play their music and their movies at reference volumes, and this tweeter can absolutely take it. It also has a new diffuser that we went through about 25 different prototypes on to get the best dispersion characteristics. The last thing I'll mention is the woofer design. We have two woofers here on the front. If you were to spin around to the back panel, there's two woofers on the back side of the cabinet as well. The woofers move in, they move out together. So inside the cabinet, there's a cancellation of any kind of vibrations or anything that could create distortion or muddy up the sound field. But outside the cabinet, you essentially have 8 woofers all firing in different directions throughout the listening area. And this creates nice, even bass response that's smooth, authoritative, but still hits those depths that I know a lot of people want to feel when they're listening to their music and their movies. So all of these innovations together have really made these a benchmark flagship speaker for SVS. There's 3 towers here, there's a center channel, there's 2 bookshelf models, as well as a elevation speaker for bringing in those height effects. So we could not be more excited. You can learn more about them at svsound.com.